Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dramani Online Mathematics. You can also get me on TikTok, the same name, Dramani Online Mathematics. Facebook is Julius Dramani. Today we are going to look at GTLE, Ghana Teacher Licensure Exams, the aspect of numeracy. Is that okay? So yeah, this is 2018. So I'm picking question by question. So I'm going to start with question number 1. I think the question number 1 was actually in some way, it wasn't our maths, and so I've taken that one off. So I'm starting with question number 2, but I've named it question number 1. So the question is saying that study the number of boxes in the patterns below. So you have pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, then pattern 4. And the question says that if the pattern is extended, how many boxes will be in pattern 7? Is that okay? So we have 4 patterns, and if the patterns are extended to 7, how many boxes are we going to have? So that is the question. So now let's see how we can solve a question like this. In the first thing, let's try to write the patterns in numbers. So let me clean this side. So let's write down the patterns down. So first one, we have 1, then 1, 2, 3, 3 boxes. The next one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Then the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. So these are the boxes. Okay, let's clean this. Now we have generated the numbers from the patterns given, or from the boxes. So looking at this one is actually what we call series and sequence, or sequence and series. But this one is sequence. Series are separated by addition, okay, or plus sign, and the sequence are with this comma. So this is sequence. So with this, you want the 7th term. Now when it comes to sequence, we have something like this, a formula to use, which is UN equals A plus this. And with this formula, the A stands for first term, the D stands for common difference, then the N stands for the number of terms, or number of terms. So these are the meaning of the variables or the letters there. Now let's look at what we can do to get the answer to the 7th term. So what you are going to do is that first, you realize that this is the first number, this is the second number. So the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So we want to get the 7th term. It means that this one is what? N1. That's first term. N2 second term, third term, fourth term. So it means that in this case our N will be 7, because that's what we are looking for, the 7th term. And also the first term is the first number, so in this case our first number is 1. What can we do to get a common difference? To get a common difference, the common difference is the difference between the second term and the first term, or the second term and the third term, or the third term and the fourth term, in that order. So this one will be 3 minus 1, which is 2, 5 minus 3, which is 2, 7 minus 5, which is 2. So our common difference is 2. Is that okay? So now that we have that, let's do the substitution. Our UN equals A. Now A is 1 plus N is 7 minus 1. Common difference, we have 2. So in this case, the N is what? 7. So let's replace that one by 7. So u subscript 7 equals 1 plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So that I have u subscript 7 to be equals to 13. Is that okay? So our answer for this is this one. 13. It's very simple, right? Good. So you look at question number 2.